Hi, I'm Elizabeth Hill-Scott from Britpolitics.co.uk. Let's get started. The Battle of the Somme during the First World War is infamous for the 19,240 British men lost on the first day of fighting. The whole effort over 141 days was to advance against the Central Powers on the Western Front in France. It was let down by poor leadership, bad tactics and intelligence, and a gross underestimation of what needed to be done against the German Second Army that had been there for nearly 2 years. It was only the oncoming winter weather and appalling conditions that finally brought the Somme offensive to an end on the 18th of November 1916. There were over 1 million casualties on the Somme, 419,654 of which were British and Commonwealth forces. Whole communities back in Britain were decimated, and in 4.5 months of fighting, the British front line had advanced approximately 7 miles. Thanks for watching, and if you take a look at Britpolitics.co.uk, you'll find hundreds of resources to help you learn about British politics and history. Plus, I cover writing, revision, motivation and exam tips. There's lots of links in the description below, and you can mostly find me on Instagram at Elizabeth_Britpolitics. Don't forget to subscribe on the way out. Bye for now.